Out with the stupid little intercooler. In with that big thing. Need to cut this down to size here, so I can sit this up flush and bolt it up, and that'll be part of the mocking process. So I'm going to get to cutting. So I got this baby temporarily mounted, and now I'm just like mocking up one side to try and get one side done. I think I'm gonna go with this for now. On this side, seems straightforward. Next is gonna be this side, which is gonna be a lot tighter because it's got the alternator in the way, but we will figure it out. Check that out. Now I just have to hope that the radiator still fits. Luckily the radiator is more of a outie, less than an innie. Now we gotta try for that side. Got that side all buckled up. Okay, this is what I'm thinking here. Got this cut really close, so it's in there. I'm thinking this, lop that, and then conjoin them. Shabam, figured it out. Now I just need clamps for that. But hell yeah! Now let's just pray that the radiator still fits. Okay, so there's the first problem. Well, second problem. The original radiator fan is way too big. So I'm gonna have to order some low profile fans. Here, I'll show you the fan real quick. So that's how much it bulges out. That's ridiculous. Took it off. So I'm just gonna order low profile fans and it should be all set.